Hey guys, it's Richard. Want to do a quick overview of NQ. Today is June the 2nd, so it's Monday, June the 2nd. And what you're looking at here is a 1 hour chart on NQ. And I've marked out two fair value gaps on the 1 hour chart. We obviously came down and tested the CE, and now we've gone back up and tested the CE here. Now I'm going to incorporate Goldbach with this, okay? So I'm only going to use a fib or Fibonacci versus putting the Goldbach indicator on there. And I'll do this a lot of times just for quick, quick viewing of where I think we are in regards to the algo path. So we'll go here and I'll start at this, and this is one dealing range right here from this bottom to this top. As you can see, we went into the breaker block area, but we never came back into the fair value gap. So that tells me that it's an algo one. Algo one should come all the way back to the 71% or the 29%, whichever way you pull the fib, but liquidity void. And we did not reach it. All right. So I'm thinking that this is going to be key liquidity right here, but I'm not positive. We'll have to wait and see how it plays out because we're 500 something points away from there right now. Now, if I were to take this down to a smaller time frame, and I'll do that real quick and push it out here where you can see it. And we have, so this was the the 1 hour we were looking at. And there's also a 5-minute fair value gap right above it. Okay. I think this is going to be significant, and I'll tell you why. All right. So let me go back out to the 1 hour. And now I'm looking at this swing, knowing overall that I think we may still come down here, but I'm going to measure this other swing, meaning from this top to this bottom. As you can see, the liquidity void, again, we went we went through the breaker, never came back to the fair value gap, so that tells me this is an algo one. All right. Is for this to complete, it needs to at least get to liquidity void, which really lines up with all of these fair value gaps. And there's a CE right above it. So we'll just have to wait and see how price plays out. I'm thinking I'll be watching it sometime tonight to see if we can push up in here and then get a break of structure, and then I may start nibbling, trying to play a move down. Anyway, I hope this helps. If you're interested in learning more about Goldbach, there's a Discord link in the description of this YouTube channel. Feel free to join. Would love to have you. Everything in it's free, and it's just guys and gals trying to learn how to trade Goldbach. All right, thanks a lot.